This video shows how to embed a HootCourse widget into Moodle. So here I am at HootCourse.com, and the course that I have set up here is called BOCSM or BOCSM, and you'll see my HootCourse feed here at HootCourse.com. Now I can type a message into the feed here from HootCourse.com and just include the hashtag and update it, and it will appear in the feed. Or what I can do is embed a widget in my course management system, and that gives students the option to actually participate in the Hoot course from the course management system without actually leaving the course. So let me show you how to do that. Over here to the right, you'll see that I have the option to invite more students or embed. So I'm going to click on embed, and it provides me with a few options. This will give you a tab that kind of hovers to the side of your course. I find that that is a little difficult to see sometimes. I'm going to click on inline HTML, and this is the option that I want. I'm going to go to the box to the right and highlight that entire set of code and copy it to my clipboard. Copy is Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a PC. And once I have that done, I'm going to go over to my course management system. I'm demonstrating this in Moodle. Moodle makes it really easy because it's simple to add an HTML text block to the top layer of your course, and that's not so easy to do in other course management systems like Blackboard. So you have to bury it somewhere where it's just not as visible. So I have editing turned on. That's important, and I'm going to go down to the bottom here where I can add a block and click on Add HTML. This is my new HTML block, and I want to configure it. So I'm going to click on Configuration. I'm going to leave the title blank. And then down in the box, what's key here is that you not paste it immediately. What you need to do is in the toolbar, click on the icon that looks like the less than and greater than symbols. And when you mouse over it, it will display Toggle HTML Source. Click there. Now you're in text mode. I usually get rid of that little guy just by deleting it. And now you're going to paste the code that you have saved to your clipboard. Paste on a Mac is Command-V, on a PC it's Control-V. So now I've pasted the code, and I'm going to click Save Changes. And there's my widget. It's that simple. Now what I can do, if I were a student, for example, is just click in that box and post an update from my course management system. This time I'm not going to include the hashtag. Let me say one more thing. If I were to click this box here, it would include that update on my Twitter profile, which would make it public. By not clicking there, it only appears in our course feed, which means only those members who have joined our course see it. So it's actually using the Twitter API, but it's keeping it more of a private exchange only between those who I've invited to join the Hoot course. So let's click update. Okay, good. So that worked there. Terrific. And that's how that works.